Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a video. I'm so embarrassed. I feel like everyone's looking at me. I'm just gonna start walking in my car. I'm going to be doing a video where I eat nothing but 7-Eleven foods for 24 hours. Kind of, not really. You'll see during the end of this, I kind of screw up. But I still eat 7-Eleven foods all day. So I'm embarrassing. I gotta go enjoy the video. Good morning, everybody. I'm gonna go to, I just woke up and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven and get some breakfast. Come with me. I don't know what I'm gonna get, so this is fun. It's gonna be a challenge. I'm very excited for it today. So I'm also gonna vlog today. So today's gonna be a busy day, and come with me. Alrighty, breakfast. So we're flip-flops and sweats. It's the morning. Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I'm getting. Like, hello. Okay, I think I'm gonna grab a small. Ew, that has like some kind of white powder all over it. Ew. I'm just gonna stick that right there. Not sure what that is, so I'm just gonna grab this one. Okay, stop. Look at, they have all these. Okay, we're gonna get the caramel hot chocolate, so. Okay, it smells so good. I didn't follow directions that well. I really want a breakfast sandwich, but they don't have right now, so I'm gonna have to choose something like yogurt or something else. There is a breakfast burrito, but it has sausage in it, and you guys know I hate sausage. Okay, I'm gonna get a strawberry yogurt. I think I'm just gonna get this bean and cheese burrito. Honestly, that's what I'm gonna do. This seems like an okay breakfast. Okay, I'm home. Smells like caramel. I need to cool down a bit. As it cools down, let's make this burrito. They didn't have any breakfast sandwiches, they usually do, but they didn't today, so that's okay. What do I do? 45 seconds per side. It's thawed. I think it's thawed. 25 seconds per side of thawed. Is this supposed to be frozen, girl? If I get sick. How long has it been thawed for is the question. What's the date today? So it's expired. So this is expired. Is that what this is telling me? I have to go back there. Is this the best before date? Because if it is, that is expired. Okay, upon further investigation, it's not expired. Oh my God. I don't know what this is. If anyone, maybe this is like the date they put it out on the shelf. Maybe this is the date where they thawed it. Further investigation. Best if used before September 2022. We're good, girl. We are good. We're gonna eat this. We're gonna pretend it's like a breakfast burrito. We're gonna make it work today, you know? My meal, this whole meal was like $5. Like, I'm shook at this right now. Like, what? $5? Well, it was like $6. Anyway. She's very slimy. Okay, so it's thawed, so it says 20 seconds. You know what my dad always told me is to put like a wet towel around it. But then the towel always sticks to it. My dad always told me to put a wet towel around burritos because my dad loves stuff like this. They put a wet towel around it because it keeps it moist. I have stuff to do today. You know, like moist is one of those things that I need later on today, but it's not what I need in the morning. So we're just gonna put it in. As I try my yogurt. Okay, so I got the strawberry Greek yogurt. I've always just had plain because I like Greek yogurt a lot. I haven't had it for so long, I don't know why, but we are going to try. And I love the Oikos brand. It looks really runny. Let me just dump this. Only eating 7-Eleven food. My haters, just say you're broke. I don't like coffee, that's why I don't drink it in the morning. I heard 7-Eleven coffee is really good. It's like kind of pinkish in color. Yum. Let's give it a go. Delicious. Okay. Okay. The breakfast burrito. Okay, now what she looks like. Oh my gosh, she is sticking to the plate. This is my dad. My dad's like, just use. What did I tell you to use? It's really hot. Wait, I'll try this. Oh my God. Okay, this, I feel like this shouldn't taste like this. I feel like this should be good. It is, and I'm not kidding, I'm not exaggerating. It is hot water. Did I do something wrong? It said caramel hot chocolate on it, did it not? It literally is water with like a slight, it's like if I had a hot glass of water and I accidentally dropped like a piece of caramel in it. Okay, well this is a no-go. That's wonderful. I should have got a tea. It even looks really watery. Like it doesn't look like hot chocolate. I'm cutting open the burrito, see what it looks like. I love bean and cheese burritos. So this to me looks really good because I love stuff like that. This is like a yummy breakfast to me. Oh, I love bean and cheese burrito. This is the yogurt, good. This, I don't think it's supposed to taste like this. So I don't want to say like trash because I feel like a machine was broken or something. Or maybe I did something wrong. Anyway, see you guys at lunch. Tan time. Okay, I'm just gonna go home and water. I meant edit. So I'm just gonna go into 7-Eleven and grab water quick. Because 7-Eleven. Yes, hello. Hey, once again. Okay, I'm gonna get the smart water to edit with. Thank you so much. Got the water to go home and edit with. Okay, I've been editing for a bit and I'm hungry, so I only have about an hour left of editing. So I'm gonna go get some taquitos, of course. Maybe a sandwich, I don't know. Maybe a nice tea, I don't know. I'm so excited, let's go. Okay, I don't think I've ever had like a big gulp. I'm just gonna get gulp. A gulp. And yes, Coke Zero, zero cap. Yes, go, oh my God. It's wild and oak. Okay, this is what they have right now. So I think I'm gonna do a Monterey Jack and a jalapeno cream cheese and whatever that is. Why was that way more embarrassing than it had to be? I feel I make things embarrassing and they're not. It's not even embarrassing. And I just like make it embarrassing. I feel like. I got my gulp and I got Coke Zero, 0 calories, girl. I also got a Meow Meow scratch card because this is a 7-Eleven thing. Okay, like we can't not get a Meow Meow scratch card. Biodegradable straw. We're obsessed. Okay, then tornadoes. Do you know how embarrassing it is to order one chicken strip? I just wanted to try it. I wanted to try what their chicken strip looked like. It looks like this. It looks so good. Let's try it together. Oh my God. Drier than an MF. One thing about me, I love dry chicken. I also like moist chicken. Juicy chicken, but I love like dry chicken. Oh my god, I should have got 3. It's so salty and delicious. That's exactly what I wanted today. And then I got 2 taquitos, 2 of my faves. Okay, that one's buffalo. I didn't order that one, but I'll leave it. On this one, let me tell you, so good. It's jalapeno cream cheese. I love Coke Zero so much. I didn't know how they had them in gulps. How embarrassing. She's like, 1 chicken strip, and there was like 4 people in there standing in line. I was like, yep, just 1. Skinny. I wanted some 7-Eleven classics, okay? That's what I wanted. Okay, there's lunch while editing. Just, you know, like a little carby ass lunch. And Sophie's posted up next to me. Well, it's supper time, so let's go. I asked people in my life what they suggest that I get, and there's a chicken sandwich. You know how every fast food place has a chicken sandwich? They have one too. Okay, I'm gonna get some 7-Eleven brand iced tea. Yum. Okay, apparently that's what it is, and apparently that's what I'm getting. And then look at how delicious. These look so good. We need them. Keep sanitized, everyone. So, I also got one of these 7-Eleven plushies, and I'm going to do a TikTok on it. So if you want to know what is in this 7-Eleven plushie and how much it is and everything like that, you can go to my TikTok, which is right here. Let's start off with this. This is 7-Eleven pure brewed iced tea, and it's in lemon. Ooh, it smells good. It tastes like pear leaf. Like 100% like pear leaf. Okay, now let's see the crinkle fries. Oh, they actually give you the little tray. Oh my god. So this is what they look like. Looks like they have like seasoning salt or something on them, and they look very crispy. My mouth is low-key watering. They're very, very crispy and crunchy. I think they're overdone, but they're good. Reminds me of like what you get like a hockey rink or something like that. A hockey rink. Sorry, my mouth is full of food. Now I'm nervous, but this is what the chicken sandwich is. Let's see. It's made to order, so whoa, look at that. And they asked me if I wanted regular mayo or spicy mayo. Look at how buttery about this bun is, and I chose spicy mayo. It's so nice and like, it's huge. It's like as big as my head, girl. And here we have pickles and that chicken that I showed you in the store. A little bit of sauce, and that's what that looks like. Just if you're wondering, it better have that crunch. Could definitely use more sauce. It tastes so salty. It definitely needs more sauce. Life is like a sandwich. You gotta fill it up with good stuff. I love that. So this is my little supper for today. Very carby, sugary, delicious. I'm happy. I'm gonna go watch Hell's Kitchen and enjoy my meal. There's a fry in the bag. That's good luck. Passing that good luck on to you guys. Oh my god, I'm here again. Okay. Look at these corn nuts. Okay, I'm gonna get Reese cups and ooh, white Kit Kat. Yum. Hey everyone. So this is horrible what I'm about to say. I forgot that I was filming a what I eat in a day. Who does that? Like, not me. I don't think I've ever done that before, but mistakes happen, whatever. I forgot to film that I went and got snacks. Well, I filmed the snacks, but I forgot to film like what I got and what I went home to eat and watch a movie with. So I'm chilling by myself and I'm gonna go get those exact same snacks and then do the exact same thing just to be able to finish out this video and show you guys like what I did, you know what I mean? And what I ate. Yeah, I'm sorry, like, ooh, I don't even know what the hell. So I'm gonna go get those right now and then I'll finish up this video. Now it's not even what I ate in a day, but it is what I ate then. So I'm just like re-showing you what I had for the snacks for like a little movie night, so. Anyway, the worst. Okay guys, so I also filmed the intro to this video, but I'm gonna eat exactly what I ate that day, just actually showing it to you guys. And I just had a shower, took off all my makeup, and I'm just chilling in a comfy robe, have a blankie by me, and I'm gonna choose a movie. I am drinking water. And I got the exact snacks that I got before. So I got 7-Eleven brand, ranch flavored, these are like corn nuts. Yum. That's a good little snack. And it's not like a huge thing. I always get like a big bag of chips and I always end up eating like the whole bag. So this is better. I got a white Kit Kat. I'm excited for this little movie night by myself. And I got a Reese peanut butter cup. And then I'm gonna choose a horror movie to watch. I'm not gonna lie, that kind of tastes a little stale, but the flavoring kicks. The horror movie I chose to watch is called Honeymoon, and I'll let you guys know how it is. He's in such a playful mood right now. He doesn't want to lay and watch a movie right now. He wants to go play and run around. Here's my friend right here. Always there, especially if I have snacks. I'll show you guys what the white Kit Kat looks like in case you haven't seen it before. And it's just white chocolate. It's so good. I love white chocolate. That's what it looks like, and let's hear that. I don't know why some people like the, it's like, give me a break. It doesn't even sound like that. Like it doesn't even sound like anything, but anyway, it's delicious. White chocolate is so good. It just tastes like cream. This is what my movie night is consisting of right now. Aww. Okay guys, the movie I watched was like, I don't know, it was really good, but it was shocking at the same time, some of the language that they used, but it was a really interesting, different movie. So anyway, it was just a random one. I've never heard of it. That's my favorite thing to do is like get snacks and then play like a random ass horror movie. Ate them all, didn't touch the Kit Kat, and then had one of these. So I'm gonna go to sleep now. I could have ate everything, but I didn't want to like stuff myself before bed. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this. If you guys want to see me do any other food challenges, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys!